Hey everyone, this is Sultan with WP Funnels, and in this video I want to let you know that now you can send out data automatically to Pabbly Connect from MailMint automation workflows. That's right, there's a direct integration there, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you can do that. Now, as you can see, I'm on the dashboard of MailMint. Let me go to automations, and here let me create a new automation, and I'll just create it from scratch. So let's just name it Pabbly Data. And let me assign a starting point. So let's say I want to assign that whenever someone will submit a certain form, the data will be sent out to Pabbly. So here I've created a form in MailMint, and wherever I'll place this in the website, if anybody submits this form, they'll enter this automation workflow. And then in this workflow, I can have many actions here. But what I will do to send it to Pabbly is I'm going to click on send data, and here I'm just going to choose Pabbly Connect, and this window will appear as the settings for this action. So here first I need to submit the webhook URL where I'll be sending out this data, and second I need to define the key and the value. The key is basically the header or the name of the value. So let's say first name, and the value is basically the customer data that you want to send. Now in MailMint automation, any customers may enter, right? So the data has to be dynamic. So what you will do is you'll use merge tags over here. So if I click on this and choose contacts, and I can choose first name. So what will happen is whoever will enter this automation workflow, come to this action, for them, their name will be sent out to this webhook URL in Pabbly. So naturally what I want is I actually want the main data to go out. I will need the name and the email at least, and then I can choose to send any other things I want. So there you go. What this will do is this will send out the name and the email, but I will need the webhook URL. And guess what? Now it's super easy to collect the webhook URL from Pabbly. Let me show you. So this is my Pabbly account, and what I'll do is I'm going to click on access now to Pabbly Connect, and there you go. This is the dashboard. So what I'll do is I'm going to click on create workflow, name it, let's say and I'll save it to the home folder. So let's click on create, and this will bring me to this place where I have to choose the application from where I'm collecting the data from. And here you can actually directly search for MailMint. So I'll choose MailMint, and this will let me choose which event I'm triggering this from. So it's simple. I'm just going to choose configure webhooks, and here it will give me the webhook URL, and I'll copy the webhook URL, and let me go back to MailMint. And here in the webhook URL area, I'll just paste the URL, and I'll start workflow. And my automation is ready. And then if I go back to Pabbly, I can then follow through with what other actions I want to take in this workflow. So let's say I want to send this data to some other CRM that I'm using. So I can choose that app here and then follow through with the workflow. So that's it. That's how easy it is to send out data from MailMint to Pabbly Connect from the automation workflow. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.